Namaste friends, welcome back to TechZone. In this video, I am going to give you an introduction about Android development course for absolute beginners. Mobile application development, especially Android app development, is the most demanding skills nowadays. You can find a lot of opportunities in the job market or in any professional fields. If you get any chance to explore any website or IT jobs, then you will find plenty of jobs for Android development. You can also start new startups and innovative ideas like Uber, Zomato, social media apps having millions of users everywhere in the world. If you explore the Google Play Store, you can find a lot of apps selling products or service. There are 3 billion Android users in all over the world and number is increasing. Many electronic devices also start porting Android operating system for their operations. Currently, we can find various institutions teaching Android development. This is a very good indicator for career development in the field of Android development. By seeing this trend, I have designed free course for beginners. While designing, I have taken special care for all the challenges and difficulties you can face. You will be able to design your own app in fluent and comfortable way. To learn Android development, you will need a PC or laptop having Windows, Mac, Linux operating system, minimum 4 GB RAM. Recommended is 8 for fluent working of the androidstudio and 4 GB hard disk space and 1280x720 screen resolution and Android phone. For Android development, you do not need any kind of previous programming experience or college degree. If you are dedicated and willing to learn, you can easily develop Android apps by following our classes. I request you to join my Instagram account to see the post related to the Android development and subscribe my channel to get video notifications. At the end, if you are happy, please give like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.